Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer a divorce settlement with Rocket Lawyer, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Rocket Lawyer website. Create an account or log into your existing account. Once logged in, navigate to the divorce section. Select the option for creating or managing a divorce settlement. You will be prompted to provide details about your divorce agreement. Fill in information such as names, dates, and any relevant financial terms. Ensure that all parties involved have agreed to the settlement's terms. After entering all necessary details, review the information for accuracy. Click on the option to generate the settlement document. Rocket Lawyer will create a legally compliant divorce settlement template. Download the settlement document to your computer. Next, print out a copy for each party involved. Make sure that both parties sign the document in the presence of a notary, if required. After signing, keep copies for your records. Distribute signed copies to all parties involved in the settlement. Finally, consider consulting with a legal professional if you have questions about the agreement. This ensures that your settlement is appropriately implemented. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.